Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. So I just got these beautiful and awesome super macro lens called Easy Macro. This is my new favorite photography item, and I definitely recommend it to all photographers and people who like to take pictures of nature. I am going to be having a giveaway for 2 of them, so stay tuned on how to enter. I also put a link in the video description on where to get your own Easy Macro, so definitely go check it out. So this is basically how you use Easy Macro. All you need to do is put it over the lens of your cell phone, and that's it. To take super macro pictures, open your camera app and put the cell phone as close as possible to the object that you want to take a picture of. For example, I took a picture of a leaf up close, as well as really tiny sprinkles. The sprinkles are so tiny, it's so hard to use my cell phone to capture macro versions of it. But with the Easy Macro, I can totally do that. So to enter the Easy Macro giveaway, let me know in the comments what you will use the Easy Macro for. And here are several before and after images without the Easy Macro and then with the Easy Macro. I just love this thing. I wish I discovered it a lot sooner. Well, I hope that you liked this video. And again, a link is in the video description on where to get Easy Macro. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.